Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I have a review to do on a subscription box. I was contacted by Krista and she owns a company called Cut the Crap Organics, which I love that name. And the subscription box is called Lips and Lather. It's a soap and lip balm subscription. And I will tell you about it. Every month you'll receive one unique bar of soap and lip balm made with 100% natural fragrances and flavors, made with essential oils and plant isolates. Made with all organic plant-based oils and butters. Gentle cleansing bars are a delight to the eyes and skin, featuring monthly special ingredients. Artesian designs and themes comes with a card detailing each month's theme. All natural ingredients. Save money every month by purchasing on my website, which is Cut the Crap Organics. And I went on Crate Joy first, and it was $15 a month on there with free shipping. And then I went to the website and it's $14 on there, and it's $28 monthly to get it internationally. So I'm excited to see. I have not opened it yet, but here is the box that it came in. And this is how it comes. Okay, and she sent a little card that says, "Thanks so much, Amanda. I hope you love it, Krista." And here is the card. And this is September's. And it says, "Have you ever eaten a sun-warmed, perfectly ripened peach fresh off the tree? If you haven't, you're missing out, as it is an out-of-this-world flavor that grocery store peaches just can't match." This month's box is inspired by mouth-watering fresh peaches. Peach pie soap features a soapy lattice crust and is made with peach seed oil. It is scented with a delicious peachy natural fragrance that also has hints of citrus. Peaches and cream lip balm will have your lips moisturized and you craving peaches. I hope this box inspires you to maybe find a local orchard and pick some fresh, fragrant peaches and maybe bake them into a delicious pie. That would be peachy keen. Okay, so here is the soap. And look at the top. And I will take it out so you can see it better. It's so cute. Oh, it smells so good too. And there it is. And there is the top of it. Looks just like pie. Oh, I love it. I know I've seen some of her soaps. If you go on Crate Joy, you can see some of the past soaps that she's had, and they are so cute. lip balm. Here is what it looks like. Peaches and Cream lip balm. That smells so good too. So good, and I love peach, and that feels so like it would be really moisturizing, like really moisturizing. So I like it. I think it's worth it. It's different, it's unique, and it's just so adorable. I'll show it to y'all again. So yeah, that is my review of the Lips and Lather box, and I really do like it. So I will leave the link to her for Crate Joy and a link down below to her website, so that you can, if you decide you want it, you can go on either one you want. I don't think that she sent me a referral link or anything, and so, and I'm not getting paid for this. She just asked to send it to me for free for my honest review. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.